recently received a new lead from Just Dial and automatically a Google contact for the same is already created. And yes, you think that I have done this manually? No. I created this amazing automation where whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Just Dial, instantly a Google contact for the same will be created. If you also want to create this amazing automation, then for that you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of leads to Google contacts, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code which is RITYT, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos and it can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For your trigger application, search for Just Dial and select Just Dial. For the event, you have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now it is giving me the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your Just Dial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Just Dial because Just Dial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your Just Dial point of contact or the backend team of Just Dial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically you are going to receive the lead details right over here as webhook response. I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so let's just capture the response of the lead over here. Now we have received the response over here, and over here you're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, email, company name and the areas received. Now let's create the Google contact for the same. For that you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Google contacts and select it right over here. Now for the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google contacts and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Google Contacts is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now one by one enter these details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So how we have to map these details? For that you just have to put a slash, search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. You only have to enter the details which you have of your lead, like the first name, last name. Now it is saying gender, so I don't want to enter anything in this gender, so switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written. For the work email, I'm just going to map the email of my lead. Let's move on further. Now I'm just going to map the company name. Now let's move on further. We're going to map the phone number. Let's move further. Over here we're going to map the city too, so let's search for city and map it. Now after mapping the details which I had of my lead, I'm going to scroll, and whenever I'm going to see this option to select something, just switch on this mapping button and delete it. I'll just suggest you, if you want, you can definitely select it, but I'll suggest you just switch on the button, delete it and click on the save and send test request. Now you're going to see once you're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact. So let's open our Google contacts. We have 2 contacts, but now let's just refresh this and you can see we have 3 contacts. The new lead, the email, and this is the phone number and the company name. All the details are added right over here. And once the details are added, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Just Dial, instantly the Google contact will be created for the same. So I have created this amazing automation using Just Dial. You can use any another application to in Trigger. If you are collecting the real estate lead details, you can use 99 acres, housing.com, Magic Bricks. Pabbly supports all of them. If you want to collect the lead details from meta ads like Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, you can use the same. You can also use WhatsApp leads and add the Google contacts for the same. Further, if you want, you can use LinkedIn ads and also Google ads. Pabbly supports all of them. It totally depends upon you from where you're going to receive the lead details. You just have to connect that application in the trigger, and in the action you just have to connect Google contacts. Once the details are added into your Google contacts, further your sales team can contact them instantly and try to convert these leads into your clients or customers. So this is a very useful automation if you use Google contacts for yourself and your business. So go and try this amazing automation, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out, check out my workflow, clone this and use it for your own business. If you want a dedicated video on any another trigger application, you can request that in the comment section below. Me and my team will definitely help you out. Further, don't forget that if you want to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, the discount coupon code is RITYT. Don't forget that it is also attached in the description box below and right over here. Do check it out. But first, try Pabbly Connect. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.